In this video, I will show you a Canva clone image editor that I built entirely using React and Node.js and Express. So I've deployed this on my freemediatools.com website. I have given this demo link in the description of this video. You can check out the demo. It has all the features of Canva. So whenever you load this application, this will be the canvas. So here you can edit your text. You can delete elements from here. All these things you can click on the sidebar section where it has all the elements similar to Canva. Here you can add your own text and resize it, and here you can change the text color. So this is a complete project here inside Node, React, Express. So if you want to purchase it, the link is given in the description. So this is the overall project. You will automatically get the source code from Google Drive after the payment is done. So if I show you the package.json file, we are using the latest version of React, which is 18.2.0. And this is actually the overall source code. This is the backend code here, which is using Node.js and Express. So as you can see right here, we are using Node and Express. So this is the overall source code. All the assets, the editor, everything is divided into its appropriate components. So once you get the source code, you will be able to run this. So now to run this, it's very simple. You go to the directory. First of all, execute npmi. So this will install all the Node.js modules. And same thing, you need to go to the API folder and also install all the Node.js modules. After that, you simply run the command npm run start. So this will run the development server for you. It will start the full stack application, the Node React application. So once it starts, it will start at your port number. So if you go to localhost 5173, the application will get started. So we also have the export button. So you can export everything, whatever you make to an image file. So the image file will get downloaded. So this is an overall project here, as you can see. So we can replace the images. We can even upload your own images as well. So if you want to upload your own images, simply select the image and you can add this image to the canvas very simply. And we also have the support to add multiple pages. So you can add a new page here, and this one you can delete this, and this is, you can start it from scratch. So here you can change the background, you can add your own text or select from these preset templates that comes with it. So with the help of this Canva clone editor, you can actually make a nice little thumbnail for social media websites. So click on export. So instantly your creation will be exported to an image file. You can undo, redo options are still there. You also have third-party images support as well. So if you want to, we also have different kinds of shapes as well. So you can add any sort of shape right here, resize it, add this accordingly. So here you can actually control the transparency as well. So you can make it bold, italic, underline, align it perfectly. You also have different kinds of effects that Canva support. You can put shadow here as well, control it, everything you can control it here. So you can just see here. So we also have different kinds of frames as well. As you can see, you can add multiple frames here, and same goes with images. You can bring any image of your choice. So if you are interested, guys, the link is given in the description. You can purchase this Canva clone editor. First of all, try out the free demo which is available. The link is given in the description, both the payment links and the live demo link. So definitely, and you can actually create a, this is the menu here, you can create a custom size as well. So just provide your whatever width, height you are building, create new design, and it will be resized. So this is a file menu. So here you can save all your work. You can even export this as a PDF file as well. So now if you're looking forward for, this is also the, you can even export everything to a PDF file as well. So go to the export and click on all pages as PDF. So everything will be exported to a PDF file as well. So there is also support given for PDF as well. You can also download your design, whatever work, as a JSON file, and then you can load that by using the import design. This is an all-in-one editor. First of all, try it. If you like it, you can directly purchase the source code. The link is given in the description.